Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Bitget to Revolut. First, you need to get the Revolut deposit address for the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Open the Revolut app and navigate to the crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type the name of the cryptocurrency you want to send from Bitget to Revolut, for example, Solana. Once you select the crypto, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner and choose Receive. Your deposit address will appear. Tap Copy to save it. Next, open the Bitget app and go to the Assets tab at the bottom right. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, in this case, Solana. After selecting the crypto, tap Withdrawal and then choose On-Chain Withdrawal. Paste the deposit address you copied from Revolut into the withdrawal address field. Ensure the correct network is selected, for example, the Solana network for Solana. Enter the amount you wish to send. Once everything is filled out, tap Withdraw and confirm the transaction. The transfer will be sent from Bitget to your Revolut account, and your cryptocurrency should appear in a few moments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.